Hi everyone, my name is Dev Albarelli and I'm a librarian here at NCC. Today we are going to go over a few databases on the library website that will assist you for your literary analysis for Professor Absalom. And we'll also take a quick tour of our online library to make everyone more aware of what we can offer you during your time at Northampton Community College. We're going to start right on the library homepage and move right into several databases we have that are designed specifically for English literature and English literary criticism. To get to our databases, we can scroll right down to the bottom of the library homepage to the research box and click on Learn More. From here, we go to our databases A to Z list and open that up. We can click on the letter G and go right into Gale literature. I think we can use the basic search tool right on the homepage here and do a simple keyword search for one of our stories, The Story of an Hour. And we see that we get a lot of good results. 202 literature criticisms, 51 biographies, 27 topic and work overviews, among many others. So let's take a look at some of the critical essays or literature criticism and see what they look like. So we start with literature criticism. Let's scroll down a little bit. Let's open Fatal Self-Assertion in Kate Chopin's The Story of an Hour. This is a critical essay from a journal called American Literary Realism. And this is an example of a piece of literature criticism that will be acceptable as one of your scholarly sources for this assignment. Take a quick look at that. I also want to draw your attention to some useful icons on the top of the screen. The most important one is the cite icon. This will give us formatted MLA citations for every article and essay that we need to cite. So let's take a quick look. MLA is the default, and here is our formatted MLA citation for this article. You can copy and paste this and put it right into your reference list. The Get Link icon is also important because it will take you right back to this article every time. Much easier than downloading or printing out lengthy critical essays and articles all the time. This link will take us right back to the page that we're on every time, from off campus, at home, at work, at a coffee shop, or wherever you happen to be working. Now let's take a quick look at Charlotte Perkins Gilman's The Yellow Wallpaper. For this example, we're just going to use the yellow wallpaper as our keyword search. And we see that there is basically a research hub called the Work Guide for the Yellow Wallpaper. There is also a wealth of information available on the Yellow Wallpaper. 204 literature criticisms, 20 biographies, 25 topic and work overviews, among many other options. Remember, we want to use the literature criticism for our sources for Professor Absalom's class, as this will be the most appropriate sources. And you can see there's plenty available. And it looks just like what we looked at for Story of an Hour, so we don't need to open these up and show you what they look like. But these are all examples of critical essays that will be acceptable for your assignment. For William Faulkner, A Rose for Emily, the same thing applies. Let's take a look. We see another work guide dedicated to this story that includes related topics such as Southern Gothic literature, some biographical information on William Faulkner. And then if we scroll down, here's the literature criticism where you want to be for A Rose for Emily. We can just take a quick look. And you know what it looks like, but just one example, atmosphere and theme in Faulkner's A Rose for Emily. Just another example of what might be a good source for this assignment, and here we have it. Remember, our citation tools are up here, and the link to get back to this screen are right here. Last but not least, we have Hills Like White Elephants by Hemingway. And for this one, we can do another basic search for the title and get relevant results. We get another work guide on the story that includes related areas of interest, and we can see hundreds of literature criticisms, among many others. And we can take a quick look at one good example of literary criticism, such as Hemingway's Hills, Symbolism in Hills Like White Elephants. Here. And then again, all of our tools, such as citations and the get link to get back to this page, are available as well. So that was a quick look at Gale literature, and it looks like there will be a good amount of information and scholarly material to supplement your essays and your two supplementary sources for this assignment for all four stories. We saw there was a wealth of information on all four stories available in Gale literature. And remember, NCC librarians are here to help. Feel free to connect with us in the following ways. Stop by the research help desk at the Bethlehem or Pocono campus libraries, schedule a book librarian research consultation appointment, or contact us via the Ask the Librarian chat on the library homepage, or our email, askthelibrarian@northampton.edu. We hope to hear from you. Thank you, and have a nice day.